I have a really small kitchen, and when my microwave died, I stumbled upon this Toshiba 6-in-1. It's a combination microwave, air fryer. It does a bunch of other things too. And I thought it would solve a bunch of problems for me and take up very little space. And you can see I've got it mounted on a little shelf bracket. So it takes up very little room in my kitchen, which is nice. However, you'll notice it doesn't have a numeric keypad on it. There's no way to enter time the way that other microwaves enter time. And so it's clumsy. There's this big dial button here, and so you got to turn dials and press buttons and do all kinds of stuff to get it to do what you want it to do. Just setting time on it is clumsy until you discover that you can just press the center button and it'll add 30 seconds. So if I want to heat up a cup of water to make tea, I can just press this button a whole bunch of times until I get to 4.5 minutes, and I can heat up a cup of water. The other night I cooked something in the microwave and I was eating it, and I heard the microwave come on all by itself, and I thought it was crazy. And then I heard it make the beeps as if it was finished cooking, and I was like, "What was that?" Then the next day, it did it again. And I was like, holy cow, this microwave is turning itself off. And what I have discovered is that the switch that's built into this button is defective. And I am just out of warranty, so Toshiba won't cover it under warranty. I went on Amazon, I looked at the reviews on Amazon and read more carefully. And a lot of people have experienced the same problem. The only way to easily enter time on this microwave is to press this button, and this button is only rated for maybe 1,000 key presses, maybe 2,000 tops. And so every 6-in-1 microwave is probably going to fail in exactly the same way. So I caution you, the 8-in-1 microwave is exactly the same design. It's probably got exactly the same failure. So I would avoid this brand. If I were you, find something else, because these cost a lot of money and they fail just as the warranty ends. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have a solution to the Toshiba 6-in-1 and 8-in-1 turning themselves on, I'd love to hear about it. It would be great if somebody made a repair video. For now, I'm unplugging the microwave after I use it, which seems absurd for a $300 or $400 device. Anyway, that's life. I hope you enjoyed this video.